zero dark 30. Everyone's still sleeping. But it's also the best time to get some work done without being bothered. Let's keep making some lights for the seeds and plants. Before you guys got here, I dug through my little cans of screws. You know, everybody has a can of screws. New homeowner or not, I had a can of screws. So I found a bunch of little misfits. We're gonna mount up the LED strips just like we did yesterday. But we gotta do it quietly. So we got our time power stripping, just like I said it would. My issue with this, of course, there's an issue with everything. It works great. I tried it out, but these LED lights need to have the button pressed after the power turns off, so it doesn't really help me that much. In case I switch over to fluorescent lights after we get some sprouts, I might hang on to this. But as of right now, it's kind of useless. Now these lights do come with timers built in. These lights come with timers built in. There's a 4, a 6, 8, and a 12, or 6, 8, and 12, something like that. But everything that I've read said 18 hours, 16 hours. So we'll just go manual mode and turn them on and off as we need it. I'm thinking I'm going to do something along the lines of the same way that I did yesterday with the other one. Kind of a layout like this. Something like this. Kind of overlapping. The difference between these strips and the ones from yesterday, different company, different everything, same Amazon. The mounting tabs on the ones yesterday were on either side. And these are right at the bottom, so it makes it a little bit more, I don't know, say difficult, but it's just different. But I got some dirty old screws that we can use. Old little guys. Don't drill into your workbench, you meathead. Screws get progressively bigger and bigger as we go on because I couldn't find any more small ones. I don't want to buy any new screws. Just using scraps we have laying around the house. Maybe if I had like 1,000,000 subscribers or something, I could have the money to buy new screws. I don't have money for new screws. What are we, Bill Gates? Elon Musk? No. We're Elon Dirt over here. What? It's like Christmas. Oh, I didn't know that they were different colors. I should have mixed them. Oh, what? But they work. Tremendous. Fantastic. I'm going to leave it because I don't know if red and blue even do anything. Just to kind of offset it a little bit. Feel underneath, make sure we're not stabbing anything. Cool. Well, the only thing I would have liked to have done is do a little cable management, but I'm not hammering them, the wire holders, while people are sleeping. Yeah, no. That's too loud. Haven't checked. This is kind of the way we left it. The one thing I did do last night was I moved the light from this side over here and then went to bed. Apparently I left a strawberry plant outside the cover. Don't tell the strawberry police. These look almost exactly the way we left them. This soil It's warmer than yesterday, but it's still pretty cold. One thing at a time, which is what? Let's look at our seeds. Make sure everything's okay. We got good condensation. Knock some of the condensation off. And look at dirt. What? Oh, dude, something's happening. Hold on, let me take you off here. Holy smokes. Autofocus, there we go. Oh, look, we got two. One there, and one right there. What? We got two. Is there any more? Oh, maybe there. Maybe there. I don't want to touch it. I touched it anyway like a meathead. Oh my goodness. I'll cover that one back up. That got a little. Oh, there's some here too. Holy cow. Oh man. This is awesome. Holy cow. We have a couple of them. Oh, so it's a good thing that we're doing the lights, right? That's the next thing. Lights. Let's light them. Okay. All right. Oh man, this is exciting. I mean, what was it? You guys were with me yesterday. It was only like 18 hours ago. These things have only been in here a couple hours. Oh man, this is exciting. Okay. One thing at a time. What were we doing? Oh, we'll check the water. We got good water in there. Plenty of water on that side. Oh man, look at that. Okay, so one thing at a time. Put some of this water back in here. This is exciting. The tops are definitely not gray. It definitely looks good. Okay, all right. What were we doing? Oh yeah, lighting. Oh man, that's exciting. Putting this light up. Let's put this light up. Gonna go with the same bootleg system that we had, using zip ties. Bro, I can't believe it. We got seeds to germinate. All right, let's hit the buttons. Bro. All right, so we got these ones that we made yesterday, and then this one that we just made right now. I mean, with just some household scraps and dirty old screws that I had. This is really enjoyable. This is really something. Let's transplant this strawberry. That's his name, Strawberry. He may be too big even for this one. Good for him. All this excitement so early in the morning. I actually don't want to see what the rest of the day will hold. I don't know, that really made my day. A couple of 3-5 seeds there. That really made my day. And it's only like 20 after 5. I don't know, let it sit. Don't mess with it too much. I don't want to hurt them, I don't want to do anything. Once everybody wakes up, I'll tack these up here to get them out of the way. So part of the beauty of using, let's see. So part of the beauty, even though I just said we want to even them out, part of the beauty about using zip ties is that now clearly this, what do we name this one? I don't know. This big one is taller than what we got going on over here. So since we're using zip ties, I can just add some zip ties here to get this down. Now they say these are only you want these a couple inches off the top. So this top deck here is 2 inches, so essentially we want this down on here. So we'll just clip the zip ties, add more, and send it down. Would a chain be easier? Of course. But when you have, I don't know, hundreds, thousands of zip ties, you don't mind going through a couple of them. Besides, actually, we could just use the ones that they sent us instead of dipping into the personal stash. I forgot I had these ones. And then as things grow up, we can adjust them. And then if I find that it's too much of a pain in the butt, I'll get a chain or something. But right now I'm using scraps and things that we have around the house. This is fantastic. Oh man. This is so exciting. I'll give you guys another view here. Alright, so what do we got? You see him in there? And we go over to the strawberries. And they're hooked up too. Bro, we're all set. This is fantastic. I'm gonna give one of these another little spritz. This one's a little dry here. The rest of them I just touched. They're all pretty moist still. Don't kill me for using that word. What else are we gonna do? So I'm thinking in the future, like by like noon, I'm gonna go to the dollar store and probably get like a tray or something for these. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 trays or something, and then cut holes in the bottom. I don't want these filling up with water. It was what we had to do yesterday to get by, and we'll be smarter about it today. We'll cut some holes in the bottom of the cups, get them in a tray, so that they don't fill up with water on the inside, and we should be good to go. This is exciting. Lift this guy up a little bit. There we go. All right, so see you later. I don't know if this is the end of the video. Probably. Man, the video is done by 6 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, we'll see. Say goodnight. Goodbye, ISO.